Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Studio to record screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my OBS Studio application in my laptop and I'm going to use it to record screen. First thing first, we need to go to the sources right here, and then you are going to click on this plus button and select the display capture and click on OK. Click on OK again. And then the second one, you're going to add the audio. You can click on this plus button again and then select the audio input capture. Okay, and then click on OK. And then you are going to choose the device for the audio input capture. And I'm just going to select my microphone, the microphone in my laptop, and then I'm going to click on OK. Alright, once you're ready to start the recording, you can click on start recording. Okay, and now the recording is being started and you just need to record your screen. For instance, I'm going to record my file explorer. Okay, and I'm going to go back and stop the recording. Okay, and now the recording has been saved and I'm going to check it. Go to the videos. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use OBS Studio to record screen. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.